Hi everybody, Whemenoc Alarms here, and today we have an unboxing video. I got a new alarm. It's an Edwards EST Integrity horn strobe. Here we go. Here we go. We have a small box. Let's hope this is the white alarm. Okay. Doesn't that look sexy? I love this design. Oh, right. So, oh no, I just swore. Oh, who cares? Now you know who I really am. Okay, so I got crap. I need the model. Is this the right thing? That's not the right thing. Ah, there we go. What's the model for it? It's definitely by Edwards. And it is an EST Integrity.
Integrity synchronized temporal horn strobe installer sheet.
Ah, model. Can't find the damn model. It must be like a 7. I don't know. Something with something. Don't know what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm gonna bring this closer. Here it is, guys. Woo! I got it. Finally. Oh, yeah, right. Alright, so we also got the back. As you can see, it's not the speaker strobe, which I'm really happy that it's not, because I wouldn't be able to do the sound and stuff. I have a speaker strobe, it's by Simplex, and it is a true alert. So, now we got that. So, that's my video, guys. Thanks for watching. There will be a next video, and that one will be the testing video.